Helping at home. I help my family at home by doing simple chores. I usually clean my room, wash the dishes, and take out the trash. Sometimes I help my mother cook dinner. I think it's important to help at home because it makes the family work better together, and it also helps me learn new skills.
Who do you help at home?
I help my family at home.
Do you help your family at home?
Yes, I help them every day.
Do I help my family at school?
No, you help them at home.
Where do you help your family?
I help my family at home.
Why do you help your family?
Because I want to support them.
Do you help your friends at home?
No, I help only my family.
What do you do at home?
I help my family every day.
What kind of chores do you do?
I do simple chores at home.
Do you do difficult chores?
No, I do only simple chores.
Do I do simple chores?
Yes, you do simple chores too.
Why do you do chores?
I do chores to help out.
Do you do chores at school?
No, I only do chores at home.
What do you do to help?
I do simple chores every day.
Do you do simple chores every day?
Yes, I usually do them daily.
What do you usually clean?
I usually clean my room.
Do you usually clean your room?
Yes, I clean it every day.
Do I clean my room or yours?
You clean your own room.
Why do you clean your room?
To keep it neat and tidy.
Do you clean your kitchen?
No, I usually clean my room.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean my room every day.
Is your room usually clean?
Yes, because I clean it.
What do you wash?
I wash the dishes at home.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash them every day.
Do I wash the dishes at school?
No, you wash them at home.
Why do you wash the dishes?
I wash them to help my mom.
Do you break the dishes?
No, I wash them carefully.
When do you wash the dishes?
I wash them after each meal.
Are the dishes clean after you wash them?
Yes, they are very clean.
What do you take out?
I take out the trash.
Do you take out the trash?
Yes, I take it out daily.
Do I take out the dishes?
No, you take out the trash.
Why do you take out the trash?
Because it's my daily chore.
Where do you take the trash?
I take it outside to the bin.
Do you like taking out the trash?
No, but I still do it.
Do you take the trash every week?
No, I take it out every day.
Who do you help cook dinner?
I help my mother cook dinner.
Do you help your mother cook?
Yes, sometimes I help her cook.
Do I help your mother cook?
No, you help your own mother.
When do you help cook dinner?
Sometimes I help in the evening.
What do you help your mom do?
I help her cook dinner.
Do you help every night?
No, I help only sometimes.
Why do you help cook dinner?
To learn and support my mom.
What do you think is important?
I think helping at home is important.
Do you think helping at home matters?
Yes, I think it really matters.
Do I think helping is fun?
Maybe, but you think it's important.
Why is helping at home important?
Because it builds teamwork at home.
Is it important to help at school?
Yes, but I focus on home.
Why do you think it's important?
Because it teaches responsibility.
Do you like helping because it's important?
Yes, I like it for that reason.